Hi, Michael Brown here on set today with VS Sassoon, talking about a trend of blow dry brushes. The great thing about this VS Sassoon Frizz Defense rotating style is the two attachments. The 50mm, great for that volume, especially at the crown, and also for thicker, longer hair. But for shorter hair or for a more sleek, flatter look, we love the smaller 38mm. So you have two attachments in one tool and it rotates. Always do smaller sections than bigger because you don't want hair to wrap around too vigorously. I would give a couple of brushes through without the rotation, just so you're combing the hair as you would if you had a separate brush to blow dry. And then once you're ready, you can turn on the rotation and the tool to get that real volume and smoothing action. So the best part about the Frizz Defense rotating style is the actual rotating part, and it smooths the hair while it rotates, plus it's going through a ceramic barrel, so it's really all about that Frizz Defense, hence the name Frizz Defense Rotating Styler. For more volume, it's really important to angle the hair away from how it falls. So if you wanted a flatter and more of a straight look, you would really pull the hair almost downwards. But for volume, using the bigger brush, it's great to really almost go up first and then rotate down with the blow dryer. Even though you have one tool with all-in-one brush and blow dryer, you still have to have that blow dry action with your hand and have a bit of tension there. You don't want to be holding it and letting the hair all rotate up. So you need to really feed the tool through the hair like you would with a separate brush and blow dryer. For volume, it's really good to take the hair over and start brushing away, so then we kind of pull the hair to get that extra volume. Because it rotates, it will give even more lift and height, so the fine hair should look a little bit thicker and more volume than what you want. It's always nice to hold at the tip a little bit as well, so then the hair gets to rotate, to have a little bit of a flick under, which is a nice look right now. One element I love is also the cool shot. So you have two heat settings. So for really dry or colored hair, go the lower heat setting. But then the cool shot is amazing. For example, if I wanted to kick it under, you'd put the roller there, hold it, cold shot, and it really gives that kink under. The cold shot is what really brings style into place. With the front of the hair, you can actually interchange and use the smaller barrel. It's nice to flick out the hair as well. Remember, once your flick is in place, going away from the head in this case, you can use your cold shot button to make it even more of a directional move. And for more of these hair tips, head to vssassoon.com.au.